Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Fred here from the Camping Family channel. Finally had some time to work on that tow bar that was bent. I had to get an angle grinder because I don't have one. So of course you go to Harbor Freight. No comments on the cheapness of Harbor Freight. I actually have never used an angle grinder because I don't really do metalwork. But for the one time a year that I needed something, this thing actually worked very nice. So just to recap, we had the tow bar here with a piece that had bent while we were towing. So what I did was I used the angle grinder, and I had about 1.5 inches of straight metal that I just cut, and then I used this steel rod down here, the steel rod, to just push it down. Now the question is the orientation of the pipe that's in there, because there's a piece on this end that catches the latch. So this piece here catches this piece, and I had no idea what the orientation was. So I made sure that when I pushed the bar down, that it got caught down here. I had it bent so I can see which way it's going, and you can see that the flat piece is on the top, which is perfectly fine. Let's do this. Might be easier to do it over here. See, there you go. So there's the orientation, and you're out. Cool. So let me go ahead and put the other one back in. Just take the new one here, and we'll make sure the orientation is correct. And it's hitting the latch. So let me open up the latch. Okay, I'm going to have to put the camera down. Sorry guys. Let me pause this for a moment here. Okay, I'm back. So what I had to do was, this piece here was hitting this smaller section of pipe, and I just had to reach my pinky in there and just move it around enough so it would line up and come through the top. No big deal. So right now we're in. Latch is latched, it's functioning, and I'm getting all greasy. But now all we need is this knuckle, which goes up here. So we'll put this knuckle on, and the knuckle is supposed to line up exactly with the top of the steel bar. So spin it till you see the top of the bar. So you can see I'm just about there. See how that top of the bar is right through there? It's perfect. And you can see me in the background. So that's where you want it. So now I need to find my screw. That's the next question. Alright, pause while we find the screw. Okay, here's the top piece. I had the screw in the upper clamp. So now we'll just put this in. So I'm going to put you down again. And I left my washers in there, so I remembered to put them in. So let's go ahead and put that on. Alright. Alright, so last step of this is going to be just getting a wrench, tightening that nylon washer, or the nylon nut. I need to get my wrenches. Mine is slipping me on what that's called. I forget. Yeah, sorry. I'll remember as soon as I turn the camera off. But yeah, I need a set of these, and we should have a straight beam again. Let's go back here and look. Oh yeah. Yep, we're perfectly straight. Big improvement. Let me see if I can get it down. That's the big question. There we go. So we're back to normal. That's great because we're going to Florida in a week and we're towing. So that was my push to get that done today. All right, another project in the books. What's next, folks? There's always something. Thanks for watching.